Oh my God, it tastes like baby poop. A huge piece fell out of the box and I was like, oh, while I'm cleaning up, I'll just eat this. Oh my God. My breath smells crazy right now. What's up guys? This is American in the Philippines, back with another snack video. Today we're gonna be testing durian snacks. If you know anything about durian, it's very stinky, very funky. Some people say it smells like poop, and I agree that it smells terrible. But it tastes delicious, like creamy ice cream or pudding. So we're gonna give it a shot and see how we like it. Mary went to Mindanao and came back with a bunch of pasalubong. Last time we tried the tuna chicharrones. This time we're gonna try the durian snacks that she got. So we got 3 durian snacks and 1 ube. We're gonna test them out and see how we like them. First, these are Pepe durian tarts. These come in like little cups, like little, and they're 2 to a package. It is like a baked good. It doesn't smell strong durian, a little bit. Durian smells like cheese and an orange. Like if you put blue cheese and a mango in a jar together and ate that. I don't know. It's very hard to describe scent sometime. But this one isn't very strong. Maybe in a strength smell, it's like maybe a 2 out of 10. Let's give it a shot. Nice and firm on the edge, but soft in the middle. It tastes like the consistency. It's kind of like a cookie. Not very strong durian, which I appreciate. I definitely wasn't looking forward to a very strong durian. Because if you eat durian, a lot of times like your burps will smell like durian for like a week. It just sticks around somehow in your stomach. I don't know what it is. These are okay. It's creamy, sweet. It does taste like citrus, cream, not very poop taste, which is good. A lot of times that's the smell of durian. That's why they even ban it on a lot of public transport. Yeah, very mild. These are nice. I would eat more of these. Very subtle. I mean, if I didn't know it was durian and I just ate it, I probably wouldn't even say this tasted like durian. Like very mild durian. Now that since I know that it's in there, I can tell a little bit that there's durian flavor, but overall, very mild, citrus, cream. I'll give this a solid 7.1 out of 10. Good. If they were at a party, I would try them. If I knew they were durian, I might be less likely to try them just because durian is so strong, but it's good. Definitely good. So 7.1. Next, let's try this Queenie's Durian Bar. It's again in plastic, wrapped in paper, and then in another bag of plastic. And even through this bag, I can smell the durian. It looks like a candy bar. Let's see, very chalky. Doesn't smell that strong even after I got it out of the plastic. Yeah, it's like a dinner mint kind of consistency, like very like chalk. Oh, there's more durian in this for sure. Very buttery, a little sour because it's got buttermilk. This is nice actually. This would make like an interesting ice cream flavor. I like that these aren't strong durian. Whoever made these was smart. Try another piece. They dissolve pretty well in your mouth. Super mild durian. The consistency and texture is a little interesting just because it's so chalky. I would say this one's less citrus and more milky, little sour flavor, but good. I mean, it tastes like freeze-dried ice cream or something like that. Like vanilla. I don't know how I would describe. I don't know a fruit that tastes kind of like this. Very, very subtle durian again. I kind of like these better than the tarts. This is a 7.3 out of 10. Just slightly better than the tarts. Interesting. I wouldn't want to eat a lot of these. I think if I ate a bunch, I might get sick from the durian. I still haven't had durian fruit itself, just in the raw form, but I bet it would be delicious as well. So maybe I'll try to do a video of durian. They're just so big. So if you buy a durian, you have to buy a lot of durian at once. So far so good, guys. Let's try one more durian. Next, this is Pepe's again, but this is Durian Baby Twist. Now this is sealed up like it's a bag of something that people ship illicitly. Slight durian smell. It's like they're wrapped up like little cough drops. It's like in tissue paper almost. Tiny little like dinner mints they look like. Very firm, crunchy. Oh, much stronger durian. I'm getting a little of the poop smell as I eat this. I'll eat another one though. They're not bad. They're very, they're sweet, crunchy, milky, I would definitely describe it. I'll call it almost like, I don't know, melted ice cream. I'm gonna get two. Maybe I'll get a bigger hit of the flavor profile. Definitely durian forward. Slight citrus, like milky, creamy citrus. The texture is interesting because they're covered in like confectioner sugar or cornstarch to keep them all separated. Even though it's a little more durian forward, it's still good. I don't know if I like it as much as the others, but they're good and they're so small, it'd be easy to share with people. Yeah, these are tasty. I would say a 6.9 out of 10. Good. I might not buy these. I think I would buy the special Queenie's bar again, just because that's so unique and so heavy. But yeah, so far I'm pleasantly surprised. I had durian ice cream here and whew, it was rough. Like the next day I just felt terrible. I don't know if it's from the durian or the ice cream or what it was from, but I'm glad these seem much more mild. They're all creamy. They all have a nice sweet, mildly citrus, milky taste, buttery almost. Excellent. So durian passes the test today. We have one more next. Naning's Special Ube Candy. This is ube pulp, butter, milk, and sugar. Super thin. They didn't snap, but they're definitely firm. Let's give it a shot. Very ube forward. These are nice. I really like ube ice cream, ube desserts. Ube is another one that's hard to describe what it's like. Ube is like a tuber. It's like a kind of a potato or a root crop. They are purple, and I would say it has like a purplish flavor, whatever purple tastes like. Not grape. It's like very mild, creamy. I mean, it has ube is the #1 ingredient, which is nice. That's probably why it has such an ube flavor. So this is excellent. I would eat these again in a second. I'll probably buy these again. So the Naning's ube candy definitely wins the durian taste test. I don't know if you can see, but that's what ube looks like. It's like a little potato kind of thing. I would say this is a solid 8.1. I really like it. Very good. I would have these again. This would be really good like if you melted into like some warm milk, maybe had it with a cookies or something. Very delicious, very ube. If you've never had ube, I highly suggest you try it, especially like ube ice cream, some halo halo. Best way to try ube if you get a chance. So this has been my durian taste test, guys. If you have anything I should try, let me know. I'm happy to try anything. I've tried well over 100 snacks at this point on camera. So if you have anything I haven't tried, any fruits, vegetables, candies, treats from your city in the Philippines that I haven't tried, let me know. I'll try them all. I'll do what I can to find them, and we'll get it on here and get a video. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you later. Bye. I just tried more of the Queenie's durian bar. Oh my God, it tastes like baby poop. A huge piece fell out of the box and I was like, oh, while I'm cleaning up, I'll just eat this. Oh my God. My breath smells crazy right now. Whew. Okay, maybe I wouldn't buy that one again. All right, guys. Yeah, just a little addendum to my review. That one I'm gonna keep at the same level as a 7.3, but Jesus, it's so durian. Oh, I'm gonna have to drink some water. All right, bye guys.